Excuse me, passengers. May I have your attention, please? Here on Great Blue Airlines, we put the wings in your flight without a fight. Whether you choose to fly first class with our patented stowaway pouches, courtesy of Stork Enterprises, or if you choose to fly on our spacious extra legroom flamingo seats, your flight will always be on time, in time, right in time. Don't forget, ask your flight attendant about our low interest, no annual fee, extra double bonus, free cookie, GBH credit card. Remember, when you fly Great Blue Airlines, you are flying in GBH style.